Narendra Modi hoisted the national flag on the 79th Independence Day at Red Fort. Addressing the nation, the Prime Minister charted a bold roadmap for a Viksit Bharat by 2047. With a sharp focus on self-reliance, innovation and citizen empowerment, he highlighted India's journey from a nation dependent on others to a globally confident, technologically advanced and economically resilient country. On 14th August, 1,090 personnel of police, fire, home guard and civil defense and correctional services awarded gallantry and service medals on the occasion of the Independence Day 2025. 233 personnel have been awarded the Medal for Gallantry (GM). 99 personnel awarded the President's Medal for Distinguished Service (PSM), and 758 personnel awarded the Medal for Meritorious Service (MSM). On 12 August, the Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi approved semiconductor manufacturing units in Odisha, Punjab and Andhra Pradesh with an outlay of 4,600 crore rupees. The Cabinet also approved Lucknow Metro Rail project of Phase 1B spanning more than 11 kilometers consisting 12 metro stations with an outlay of 5,801 crore rupees. The Cabinet gave nod to investment proposal for construction of 700 megawatts Tato 2 hydro-electric project in Arunachal Pradesh with an outlay of 8,146 crore rupees. The third round of the India-Singapore Ministerial Roundtable held in New Delhi on 13th August. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman led the roundtable along with External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal, and Railways and Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. The ministers reviewed the progress of various bilateral cooperation initiatives under the 6 pillars of ISMA, including advanced manufacturing, connectivity, digitalization, healthcare and medicine, skills development and sustainability. Rajya Sabha passed the National Sports Governance Bill 2025 and the National Anti-Doping Amendment Bill 2025 on 12 August. The bills will establish a transparent system in sports, ensure women's participation, strengthen federations, bring good governance, and safeguard the interests of athletes. BSNL announced the nationwide rollout of its network-side anti-spam and anti-smishing protection for mobile customers on 14th August. Suspicious and phishing URLs in SMS are detected in real time and withheld at the network edge.